What's up, guys? Nick here. Today I'll be doing a bike check. Let's start from the top. I have ODI grips, backwards, the super soft ones. That's what they had. ODI bars, up to them. Funday Triumph bars. I used to have, stock. Those broke, stripped. So I bought shadow bars, and then figured out from the warranty I get new bars, so they sent me these. They didn't have any of the green, so got chrome. I think it looks better. Got a Odyssey stem. I'm probably gonna end up putting a different stem, like profile stem, or like that. Is that right? It's alright. Yeah. So then I got a Funday frame. This used to be a complete bike, but I did a couple parts. Got the stock fork. I don't really like it because I can't have a gyro. I guess the shaft isn't long enough. Oh yeah, and for the headset, I just got Odyssey headset. Odyssey Aeronauts tire. Quadrant rims with a V2 hub. I'm just looking to getting some new wheels soon. I've got Odyssey Twom bolt cranks in 175. Bottom bracket, I don't know, some random one. Got black Twisted PC pedals. They're alright. I always use them. I like them actually. Got a normal, Funday 25 tooth sprocket. I have a 25/9 gearing. And for the back wheel, I got a Maxxis grifter. And, well, I still have my brake pads. I don't even know I'm brakeless because I'm probably end up putting some new ones on. Just got normal brake pads. This one's like cracked. Then I got the Hazard Light V3 hub. Same quadrant rim, Maxxis grifter. That's my bike. For the seat, I have no idea. Just a normal pivot, I think. Funday seat clamp. I'm probably going to end up putting new wheels on it, like I said. I have a Lucky Elastic Classic helmet. It's alright, I like it. A lot better than my old one. And then Fly Bikes knee, shin guards and knee, whatever they call it, combo. That's my bike. And here's the hub sound, if you want to hear that. It's not very loud. One more. That's good. Good one. I like the back hub. I might probably get, some profile minis and then some new hubs in. So we got a wristband, support brett. I live in South Bend, Indiana, where the kitchen is. It's a skate park, so go there a lot, all the time actually. And that's my bike check.